How often do you find yourself caught in a whirlwind of creative ideas, only to be pulled down by the weight of practical problems? How do you face these challenges? Today we're here to explore some practical tips to help manage your creative mind and balance your life. Firstly, let's talk about managing anxiety. It's crucial to tackle your actual problems on a practical level. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment or lead you to overthink. Whether it's paying bills, finishing projects, maintaining relationships, or health and weight issues, you can take a step-by-step approach to solve these issues. Try this simple exercise called the life wheel. Picture a circle divided into 6 parts like a pizza. Each slice represents an area of your life: mind, body and soul health, family relationships, career or business, love and marriage, money, savings and investments, social life and friends. You can name these areas as per your preference. Now, objectively rate how you're doing in each area from 0 to 10. Start solving problems in the area with the lowest score. Simplify your action plan. Instead of a 6-step plan, try a 2-step plan. Develop habits that help you stay organized and free of anxiety or overwhelm. Remember, consistency is key in attending to most life issues. Secondly, focus on developing emotional intelligence. High sensitivity often accompanies creativity, making it crucial for you to understand the basics of psychology and psychotherapy. Learn to regulate your emotions and don't wait for a crisis to do so. Release anxiety and channel emotions through creative self-expression or movements such as exercise or dance. Listen to your inner child and acknowledge your feelings, but remember that they come and go. Check in with your body regularly. Learn to tense and relax on command. Journaling and talking to trusted individuals can also be beneficial. Isolation often leads to emotional turmoil, so make it a rule to reach out to a friend or engage with others, even when it's hard. Helping someone else can shift your focus and replenish your energy. Don't forget the basics. Establish a sleep routine, eat healthy homemade food and keep moving. Walk, exercise, dance. Do whatever feels good to you. In summary, managing anxiety by solving practical problems and developing emotional intelligence are 2 fundamental tips to help manage your creative mind and balance your life. In the next lesson, we will delve deeper into the dynamics of relationships and willpower for creative women professionals. Stay tuned!